One of the most recognizable companies in off-road, whether it be truck or SUV, would be Dynamex and Rancho. This year, 2012, we get the pleasure of talking to the guys from Tentacle Corporation about their product line. First off, Chris, it's good to meet you.
Good to see you, Scott. We're trying to change things up again. You know, the market's kind of gone multiple directions, and there's a lot of players in the market right now when we're talking about the ride control line. So we tried to go back to our basics and try to give product information to our customers to understand what are the differences between the shock offerings. So we take a look at an RS 5000 and we're able to point out the feature benefits type of deal. Well, this is a twin tube shock absorber, a hydraulic shock absorber that's set up to do an improvement over an OE ride control for somebody who's doing mild off-roading, maybe bigger wheels and tires that they're putting on the vehicle, and maybe he wants to accessorize the vehicle and put a little bit of type of a bling to it with a rubber boot, paint feature, something to make it look classed up a little bit. With age and that and time, we brought back a 7000 name, and we knew there would be some people in the market that would remember the lightning rod, but you know, I thought that would actually work to our advantage, because it would be a nice dialogue to say, hey, you know, I used to have 7000s on my vehicle. Is this like that 7000 of the past? This is a totally different change of the 7000. So what we're able to offer in here is a high pressure monotube shock absorber now in our 7000 line. And it's something that we've not had available in the Rancho line ever. And then our flagship shock absorber is the 9000 XL. And this will give you a 9-way adjustability knob right here at the base of the shock. And what that knob will do is a 400% difference in that ride quality between a 1 setting and a 9 setting. So we went to our OE engineers and said, what are you doing on the OE side of the business to try to get noise out, actually noise into the exhaust system? And this is a spring actuated valve, and we have 2 different rates of spring depending upon the cubic displacement of the engine. The more air that's sucked in down through the pipe, the more this valve will open up. So we got into a group and said, well, how can we do this different? So what we kind of do is melted all these systems together in one, and we took this Jeep frame, and what we were able to do on the driver's side of it, we were able to put a long arm system on that. So now I'm able to talk to a consumer and show them how a long arm is configured on a Jeep and where those bolt ups are and what's involved in the install of that.